Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you my continuation model. It's one of the easiest model that you can trade and also the most profitable model that I have right now. With good win rate, so I need like a good enough data to like use it on like real trading. So I'll be backtesting for now, and we'll collect few data and hopefully it helps us. And yeah. This video is going to be a very informative video. I think it's the best model you can trade on like 2026 here. And yeah, without anything, let's get started. Right now, what you guys need to mark is what's the nearest drawn liquidity where price can trade into. We reacted to this 4-hour gap, and yeah, probably this is the 4-hour low, like a great draw. Hourly, we have like good enough low resistance liquidity and fill gap right here. Just keep marking out all the draws which price might go, and we need like displacement. Okay, displacement is the most important in continuation model. Otherwise, chances are that it might edge you out and then hit your stop loss or break even. So yeah, that's one of the things. When there's like a very high wick like this, mark out the wick, also mark out the low which of the next candle. Like this is a great draw. Most of the times price usually reacts in this wick and edge you out a lot of times, like here, right? If you try taking longs, it might edge you out and then push lower. And yeah, these are all the draws. Early, if I have any draws, 15. So we knock out like draws from like hourly candle and 4 hour. Let me put on a text. DOL are 4H, 1H, highs and lows, slash 4H, 1H, unfilled gaps. So these are the draws on liquidity you're gonna mark. Also, you're gonna mark out session highs and lows. I'm gonna tell you a bit about session highs and lows because uh, I'll teach you guys how they react. If this happens in Asia, this has to happen in Europe. So those things also I'll tell you guys later. For now, these are the draws on liquidity which you guys need to like mark out. And yeah, displacement candle is either like from 1 to 5 minute, any displacement. I'll teach you guys like what displacement candles are. And for now, yeah, these are all the draws. Hourly, sorry, 15 minute, we're gonna mark out Asia high or low. So this is Asia low. Uh, this is Asia high. So good draws. So these are all the draws which I'm gonna target for my continuation model. Okay, so for this model to work, what we need is good enough displacement. Okay, so we are not gonna trade the first 5 minutes of the session open because it's manipulative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's about to reach out this draw. Is there a way that I can take a trade to reach these draws right here? Because they are close by and this is like obvious draw, right? I feel like it's gonna go down. Okay, nice reaction there, but yeah, if a little more deep retracement, would have tried taking this trade, but we did hit this 1 minute gap right here, push lower to these draws. Okay, and yeah, if price wants to like go lower, where would be my next draw? It's gonna be this low right here. All the 4 hour highs and lows you can mark out. And yeah, we are reacting to this hourly unfilled gap, which we marked out. So right now, not interested in any trades. So price can trade higher and I can try targeting these highs. Okay. Right here we did see some displacement, not good enough. Took out the slow also. Did we react somewhere? We reacted 5 minutes. This candle would have been nice, but it's a negative aura, so I wouldn't have taken that. Okay, 15, 5, 3. I need like a good displacement. Not happening. Okay, that is something that I wanted to see. I'm gonna enter here. Stops 15, 5. Can keep stops below this 5 minute low and target these size right here. It's gonna give a 1 to 1 place order. 15. See, we are kind of inversing this 15-minute gap. 5 minute. We are about to inverse this gap in like 1 minute. And there's a 5 minute low. I don't think so. I should push lower after this displacement candle. Like always wait for like these displacement candles. There's like no displacement right here. We did inverse this gap, but it was like almost same. You could have like edged out and then pushed lower. Right here we saw that displacement which I wanted to see. And yeah, so we'll see. 1 second. Let's take this trade. Tap there. Okay, that's the reaction I wanted to see. Still not break even. So see, it made a high. Once it takes out that high again, then you can go break even. That's one of the rule. And it's tap there. I need like displacement from there also. Okay, damn. That's something that I want to see. Next target would have been this high. But yeah, we kind of slow down. I thought it'll hit break even. So 1 to 1 hour here. So let me take a screenshot. 5 minute. This video is gonna be a lengthy video. Uh, Copy, delete. I'm gonna put it on my journal. I'm gonna write all this stuff later. I just need to like, uh, we got displacement from this 1 minute. 1 minute displacement. Okay, and draws on liquidity where one was Asia and NY high. This was the NY high. Okay, was that unfilled gap also? 1H. It was 1 hour intermediate high. 1 hour intermediate high. It's a when RR was one hour. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna journal for like the next few trades which I'm gonna take. And this is like a nice displacement. It should easily go to there. Why did candle disappear? Why? I don't know why this suddenly the candle went down. I'm gonna just skip the day. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove drawings. Let me remove indicator as well. And where's gonna be where are my draws are gonna be? Okay. What I can see right now is we inverse these gaps. First high is this unfilled gaps. Always mark out 4 hour hourly unfilled gaps. 4 hour, 1 hour highs and lows. That's the low right there. And this high right there. We almost made like relative equal high, so these are great draws. And 15 minute, 1 hour. Did we miss anything? That's like a new day opening gap high. And 15. I'm gonna mark out session highs and lows. So that's the Asia low. Asia high got taken out. And this is London low. I don't think so. London low is necessary for now. 1 day, like previous day highs and lows are also nice. Now we have that. That is previous day high. Okay, so draws are clear. Now what we need is a displacement and an entry. You can displace from here. I'm just trading my continuation model. There are like 2, 3 different models that I trade. And I'm just teaching you guys how I trade my continuation model. Okay, price is pushing lower. We took out the slow. Yeah. I won't take longs from here. That's something. We'll wait for 1 3 5. So 5 minute has like 4 minute to close. We displaced nicely. 3 minute. 3 minute can come here. But I really like this displacement. Uh What I can do is take longs here, stop loss below this breaker. This whole thing can act as a breaker. I have to keep it somewhere here though. It's a very big. Uh, by the volume, it should push. This is why I need to like backtest this model properly, because we have this 3 minute low which price may trade and then push higher. Uh, let's enter. See. Uh, we'll keep somewhere here. We have this 15. Is that an hourly high? Yep. Can target this high if it gives 1 to 1. Squeeze my stops a bit. Save. Okay. No volume though. 5. This is what I was scared that might retrace lower. And we are inside this hourly gap which we tapped. Okay, I ignored that, but I just traded based on this candle volume. Delete. New page. Displacement through 1 minute and 5 minute. Drawn liquidity was hourly high and new day opening gap. Hourly, oh sorry, hourly high, new day opening gap. It's okay, let's see. Okay, that's a nice bearish move. This is what I want to see, like candles forming like these big candles. 15 has this intermediate low, but that's not a good draw actually. We'll see how it goes. 1 minute. 15, 5. We tap that 5 minute gap. 3 is fine. Yep. This inversion would have been like a pattern trade. This 3 minute is nice. Based on this 3 minute, we swept out these lows. We trade into this 15 minute intermediate high. And yeah, draws are like clearly higher. I just want to like take longs. Okay, longs there. Stop loss has to be 3. Let's keep it below like this inversion body. TP is 1 to 1. I'll try to keep my TP till here. Okay, that hourly high. And try to break in here. If volume comes, then I'm going to start trailing it. That would be better. Okay, 1, 2, 15, 5. We know this 5 minute gap also. Nice volume in 3 minute. And even in 1 minute. Okay, that's very bad. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, nice. Nice trade though. This 5 minute gave like a good enough reaction to take longs. 5, 3. Yep. The last trade didn't work, but this worked. Screenshot, copy, delete. second. Displacement on 5 minute, and 1 second. 3 minute we had in motion, but 5 minute was a trade, and draw on liquidity was new day opening gap and 1 hour high. So when was the risk to reward? 1.57. Sounds okay. So nice trade. Early. We'll see if we can like let go till here. That'll be crazy. Yep, it does. Nice volume. Oh, we made like relative equal highs across like let partials run till there. Like these are like goated draws. Relative equal highs always target those. Look at these 5 minute candles. And then what's gonna be your next high? As this high right here. And then this high right here. This high we mostly edge, so this high is very nice. Okay. For now, any 15-minute gap, it's gonna be created in 3 minutes. Okay. Reaction here. Take longs. We did sweep out this high, so we need to be careful. Okay. Not gonna take if it doesn't hit. Nope. We took out that high. We didn't tap this 15-minute gap, so no, not really interested. But look at this 5 minute candle. You could have taken trade. Nah, that's like very slow movement. But this 5 minute closure was good. But this is pretty good from here to here. Otherwise, take trade here. It would have hit break even. Stop somewhere like that. Target the high. Break even, like quick break even. And try running it till there. Yeah, it would have worked. See, continuation model is like too goated. It just goes. You just need to find like a best spot to like enter on the trade and let it run. Oh, sorry. Remote indicator. More drawings. Want to like next day. Okay. So that's the next day. 4 hour. I think our all time highs. Yep. All time highs. Just blindly go for longs. 1 hour. Gonna create the slow, but this fair value gap hasn't been formed. There's like 30 minutes, so this is the only fair value gap right now. Other than that, 4 hour. I feel like we're gonna do the slow. Oh, sorry. 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute unfilled gap right here. And here also. And session highs and lows. Asia low. Always mark out Asia low and high. Always go to target. Yeah. Push lower. Push lower. Oh my god, it took out all my draws. Only this Asia low is there. Any. Oh my god. Why? Seriously, no entry. 15. This gap. Try taking shots again. Till where? Is that previous day low? Yep. This is your previous day low with new day opening gap. Try taking it till there. Push higher, then push lower. Good displacement. This is actually a nice displacement. Tap that 15 minute. 5 minutes is nice. 3, 1. I'm gonna take this. I might like lose it pretty bad, but the way the volume came in like 1 minute, look at two candle got engulfed by like one candle. Target's gonna with us. Very high risk to reward. Because 5 minute gap reaction, overall bearish. 3, 1. Break is gonna be quick on this 1 minute intermediate low. Oh, nice break even there. I thought I'm gonna get stopped out there. Now it has to push. Oh, it saved me. This break even saved me. 15, 5, 1. Copy, delete. Uh, New page. Displacement from 1 minute. Drawn liquidity was uh, uh, PDL and new opening gap. It's a break even day. Sorry, uh, 0 and we tapped 15 minute. Yeah, 5:15. Yep, I need to mark that out. So 1 second. Just better. It's recording, right? Yeah. Hmm. Still, draws are intact. Shots would be good. Not displacement. The only displacement I can see is like in 5 minutes if it gives. That's nice. Need one more candle. Yep. This is perfect. But what are the chances that it might come to this 5 minute gap? I should keep it above this. Yeah. Mm, yep. Because there's chance that this might be unfilled gap and price might later trade higher and then push lower. And yeah, but this reaction is nice. I'm basically trading on this nice displacement on 5 minute. Three also has like nice displacement. 1 minute we tap this fair value gap, push lower. We have like almost like relative equal lows. Break even there. One more push, bro. Come on. Break even trade. Is it? Oh, damn. Lol. I thought it was break even. Nice flip there. But that break even was like necessary. Otherwise, we might trade high from this liquidity point. Yeah, we swept out the slow also. Nice trade, nice trade. New page. Open. Paste that thing. So, what did we do? We trained to this 15 minute and 15 minute continuation, 5 minute reaction, displacement from 15 minute fair value gap, 5 minute displacement, and what else was there? And also 1 minute. Drawn liquidity was what is the straw? Why did we actually mark that low? New day opening gap plus previous day low. Previous day low, new day opening gap when RR was 1 to 1. Hmm. Is there anything that I'm missing? Nope. Displacement was there on 1 minute. Okay, fine. That's good. Nice. See, look at that reaction, all of that. More drawings. Is there an hourly gap higher? Yes. This is gonna be my draw, but I need like good reaction from 5 minute or something. 15, 5. We have this 15 minute gap. Sorry, 5 minute. I can literally take trades right here. 5 minute. Keep it at this 5 minute low. Quick break even, but target's gonna be very high. That's the side. I want to do, but like very quick breaking. Because look at this volume right here. We pushed nicely, came down, pushed higher. This might stop me out. Okay, that's break even. It's like intuition trade. Yeah, nice break even. I'm not gonna know that because in like eval or funded, I won't take that trade. 5 minute. Okay, this is nice displacement. I'm gonna take this. I'm really trading like displacement. Okay, 15, 1. I hope that this 15 minute gap inverse, that's the only. Mm, I will skip this because of this bearish trend. I won't take this trade, but the draw is like nice. This hourly unfilled gap. It's gonna close in like 5 minutes. Next candle might push. Not gonna take this though. We're already like close to out of the time. Okay, that would have been a now I would have kept my stops over break even. It would have been a winning trade. Yeah, it would have been a winning trade, but nice, it's fine. Next day, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6:59. So again, what are the name mark? Hourly, sorry, 4 hour. How much time is done? 27 minutes. That's nice. It started lagging. 1 second, let me reload. Change song also. So 4 hour overall price action is like clearly bullish. Blindly target these highs. If it wants to go lower, 4 hour low, 4 hour low, hourly, that's hourly low. Trend is hourly unfilled gap, hourly unfilled high. Is this an unfilled gap? Yep, unfilled gap right there. 15. Asia got taken out. Previously New York low. Uh, Skip the first 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, any trades? Looks like this 5 minute candle is like good closure. I'm gonna wait 1 more minute if this candle inverts this gap. I'm gonna take this trade. Yep, I did. Long the 5 minute, 5 minute lows right here. I'm gonna have to like sacrifice my stop loss to get a. Let's target this high or else somewhat. There's an unfilled gap right here on a 15-minute. Can target this high. I don't like this actually. It might easily wick me out, so a quick break even right here. I need like volume to push it. It's it's not like a A plus setup, that's for sure. Need one good candle. That was my break even, bro. It was a break even trade. I clicked twice and it went off. Okay, loss is a loss. Mm, yeah, we're into this hourly gap, so displacement 1 and 5. Is that 5, right? Yep, 5-minute displacement, 5-minute inversion. Drawn liquidity was 1 hour hourly unfilled gap, and we reacted to this hourly ferrol gap. It should have been a break even. Should I give it a break even? Give it break even. Uh, mm, okay, so yeah, that's done. 15, 5, 3. It's very choppy though. Not gonna take. This looks nice. Man, come on, no entry. We just skipped few candles. I'm gonna go to like next day. What is the song? Okay, hourly bullish. I don't have my mouse right now. I'm using my trackpad, so it's very slow. Hourly unfilled gap. Asia low. 4 hour. 4 hour low. 4 hour almost vertical lows. 15. 15-minute vertical lows plus unfilled gap. Unfilled gap right there. Done. 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the first 5 minutes. Price is pushing bearish. A flip. Yep. 3-minute tap and a flip. Break even right here. 1 minute.